We received this Zosi camera for our review and I'm excited to talk about it. Let's dive into all of its features. I want to get into the whole Zosi tech cameras. This is an IP camera. This is a security camera that's really nice. For the value you are getting a whole lot. It comes with a 360 literally, look at that, rotation with security lights as well. So LED lights when it's in low light. So it also has kind of like that security, like safety deterrent. Obviously, the camera right in the middle right here. And I love the fact that you can hook it up, of course, to your app. You can record straight onto the media in here, or you can also pay for a subscription to get cloud service. But look at this. This is really cool. Right now, I'm controlling it, and you'll see going up and down. Like, look at that. I'm controlling this with my phone at the moment. And I can follow someone. It can also follow by itself because it does have motion detection and tracking as well for humans, pets, and even cars. It's really nice. It's very simple to install, of course. It's really well made. It is weatherproof as well, which is a really big plus. The other great thing about this 3K camera is also that it only really needs power, because if you have Ethernet, great. You can plug in your Ethernet and it will get onto your network. If you have a NVR, so like literally a device with multiple cameras right into like an NVR or a DVR, you can plug that into that, no problem. But if you don't and you just want to use Wi-Fi because that's what you've got as a network, you can. With these antennas, you'll get onto the Wi-Fi, the network will find just exactly the camera you need, and you'll be able to control and record onto the media, onto your phone, get all the notifications you need right on the fly. So as a security feature, I did talk about the floodlights, but there's also a siren, an actually pretty loud siren that can emit if you decide for every motion detection. So if there's a person that walks by, I don't know, your fence, it can not only go floodlight, but also siren, or you could say, no, you can turn on the siren as you wish, because you can be notified on your phone and you can actually turn on the siren and even have a two-way conversation. At the end of the day, the greatest feature is the fact that it's able to rotate on itself and tilt as well. So you can tilt, you can zoom in on your phone. It's really high quality. You can really go into all the nitty-gritty details that you need to keep your home safe.